Then a few words about the CSP journey and how we see it. So we start with as different CSPs have put different level of effort on the migration within their offerings. For some have not invested at all in that, and others have already built migration practice. So we aim to guide CSPs that would like to mature their migration service through the different stages, and with our help to get to the highest available maturity level that we see. So we start with self-service, that CSP just provides the tools and customers do everything on their own. Then we have the main service where CSPs provide the tools, but also do the migration for their customers. Then the migration project, which involves more phases. So extending from just the migration phase, where we have the preparation and migration, to doing also the assessment. So going into the pre-migration phase, and the migration factory that is built on top of multiple successful migration projects, where different cases are covered. So the migration factory knows for which case, what toolset should be applied, what resources, how the assessment should be done, etc. It can be automated, and some best practices can be developed. So we aim to get our CSPs to this level where they can automate most of the whole process. And a little more details about the migration practice. So it is supposed to cover all the migration phases, helping end customers to understand the need of migration, to assess the existing infrastructure, to properly prepare the destination, to do the migration, and then to offer the right services according to the workloads that have been migrated. This after building such a factory or such practice, it is highly efficient in terms of time, because it has been done multiple times, so you don't have to reinvent anything, but you just follow the past examples. It is very agile. You have also the experience within the team that is doing it, which makes it simpler for execution. And yeah, this is why we think it's important to put some attention to this option. In terms of product enablement, before starting with anything on the migration, it's important that people get enabled on the tools that will be used and that are available within VCF. So we have some already available courses and also exams that help you to gain knowledge on these products and on how to use them properly for the migration cases.